This is HBIS Group's most advanced production line. Built in 2015, this production line is highly automated with only a few people watching over the process. It makes steel for automobiles.
Apart from raising the quality of our products, we are also participating in the design process of auto manufacturing. It helps us to win more high-end customers.
The shift is winning the company more global leading manufacturers, including some energy automakers.
The competition in China's iron and steel industry is fierce, and this is pushing them to become more sensitive to the market, including raising their proportion of high value-added products.
So far, HBI's 70% of its products are high value-added ones, such as steel for cars and home appliance.
In the past 10 years, we've focused on high-end customers and have been upgrading our products and services. This is also an adjustment to meet the requirements for iron and steel materials as the industrialization develops in China.
HBIS is also developing its global presence. In 2015, it invested in Dafraco International Trading Holding, a leading international trading platform of steel products.
Our overseas strategy is to focus on localization with minimum interference of the management of overseas companies, and most of the employees also are local.
The company is striving to build an open and inclusive culture. So far, HBIS holds over 70 overseas companies. Ning Hong, CGTN, Hebei Province.